Hello children, my name is Joseph. I am a teacher from book Belong Pikinini. Today, I am going to teach you about money. Okay, let me ask you all. Put your hand up if you know what money is. That's great. It's good to see you know what money is. Did you know every country around the world has their own type of money? That's right. And right here in our own country, Papua New Guinea, we have our own type of money as well. Do you know what our money is called? Correct. Our money in Papua New Guinea is called kina. So the PNG kina is made up of paper notes and coins. So let me ask you, put your hand up if you have seen the PNG kina before. Wow, that's good to know. Our paper money starts at a very small number and it goes way up to a very big number. Okay, let's go through all the PNG paper money. So the smallest paper money in Papua New Guinea is called 2 kina. And the next number is called 5 kina. And the next one is 10 kina. Can you guess what the next one is? That's right, it is the 20 kina paper note. The one after 20 kina is the 50 kina note. And finally, the biggest paper note is, can we all say it together? It's 100 kina. Good work team, you're all very smart. Now we're going to learn about coins. Do you know what we call our coins? Very smart. Yes, that's right. We call our Papua New Guinea coins toya. Now let's go through all the types of toya that we have in Papua New Guinea. The smallest toya is called 5 toya. The next coin is called 10 toya. And the next one after 10 toya is 20 toya. Can you guess what is after 20 toya? That's right. It is the 50 toya coin. And for the biggest coin of all, I'm sure you've all seen it. It's the one with the little hole in the middle. Put your hand up if you know what I'm talking about. Can we all say it together? 1 kina. Well done everyone. You're all very smart. Hey kids, let me ask you, where does money come from? It actually comes from the Bank of Papua New Guinea. But normally, around the world, to get money, you need to work. So right now, your mama or papa, big brother or uncle or auntie go to work. And after working hard all week, they will get money. So keep going to school, read lots of books, you will get a good job and make good money. Okay kids, let me ask you a tricky question. Put your hand up if you've used the kina to buy things. Wow, that's good. Did you know with the PNG kina, you can buy many things. Some things we can buy with our PNG kina is phone credit, banana chips, kumu, pineapple, watermelon, bilong, power for the house, omo for washing, some chicken wings for cooking, a pig for mumu, books for reading, and pencils for writing stories, school bag. These are some of the exciting things, and there are many other things we can buy with the PNG kina. So we have learned now with the kina, we can buy many things for the house. But also with the kina, we should be saving. Does anyone know what this is? Yes, this is a piggy bank, and we use this to save our coins or our money. When your mama or papa gives you a 10 toya or a 20 toya, you can save it in your piggy bank. And when you grow up and get a job, you earn money. You can save your money in the bank. The more you save your money in the bank, you will have lots of money to buy the things that you need and want. What have we learned about money? Money is very important. We buy things we only need like clothes, school books, and food for the house. And sometimes a little lolly or ice cream. We also learned Mama and Papa work really hard to get money, and the money they help the family like you. And last of all, it's very important to save money. So when we get money, we don't always spend, but we put the kina away. Because one day, we might need the kina to help the family. Thank you kids for listening to me today. Now we know lots of things about money. My name is Joseph. I'm a teacher at Book Bilong Pikinini. Have a great day and keep on reading.